Good morning, students. This is the beginning of royalty accounts, the third model. I repeat, this is the beginning of the royalty accounts, that is third model. Okay. So royalty accounts, what do you mean by word called as royalty? Okay. So we'll understand this meaning of a word called as royalty and what are the terms related to it, so that when we are solving a problems, it will be easy for us. Okay, so royalty is what, say for example, okay, you have a land and you people found some coal in that land. Now that coal should be extracted, okay, and you cannot extract it, so you people appoint, I mean to say a landlord appoints one company, okay, for extraction of that coal. Now very important, whatever after the extraction, okay, some percentage is fixed, okay, some percentage is fixed for that, okay, percentage is fixed for what purpose? It should be given to a landlord, and that percentage amount is called as what? Now royalty. Clear with this? Now understanding basically over here, okay, there are two parties involved in it. Who are those? One is called as lessee and lessor. Okay, lessee is a tenant in the sense the company which is getting, okay, which is extracting the coal, and the lessor is the owner, or he is also called as the landlord. So landlord will get something called as minimum rent as well as what? Now royalty. Minimum rent he will get when there is no things. Minimum rent he will get when the actual royalty is less than what? Now the agreed amount. Okay, so minimum rent is what? Whenever he'll be, whatever the royalty is agreed is less, okay, then the agreed he will get what? Now minimum rent, and minimum rent will be fixed. Clear with this? The next one is short workings. What do you mean by short workings? Short working is what? A tenant will not a tenant will be not getting, okay, once he start extracting, it will be deeper and deeper, okay, that coal whatever it is, okay, so first he has to extract it, okay, so at duration, say for example for 1 or 2 years, he has to just extract the mud. After that he will be getting a coal, okay, so whatever the first and second year he will be having a loss, that I call it as what? Now short workings, okay, and then he will be getting what? Now surplus. So these are the terms what we have to understand. Now going with types of royalty, there are three types: mining royalty, patent royalty and copyright royalty. Mining royalty is when it is calculated on basis of quantity raised, okay, for example coal and all is called as mining. Okay, patent royalty is what? When the patent is used, that is what? A kind of design is used or an article is used, okay, and sold on the name, okay, so at that time we call it as what? Now patent royalty. Copyright is what? Okay, some books has been published by one author and he cannot market it, but on his name someone else markets it, so he is using his copyright, okay, and whatever the amount he gets, the tenant, okay, one amount has to be paid to a main author, and that author will get in form of royalty, okay, the amount, okay, and that is called as what? Copyright royalty. It is calculated on the basis of number of books published and sold. Okay, so we have seen who is this lessor and who is this lessee. Minimum rent also we have seen, it is fixed sum payable to a landlord by a lessee when actual royalty is less than the agreed amount. Okay, it is no doubt in initial period usually royalty is less than the minimum rent. Therefore lessor, okay, has got right to receive minimum rent or actual royalty whichever is higher. Minimum rent is also called as dead rent or a fixed rent. So this is called as minimum rent. So short working is called as some kind of what? Now loss to a tenant. Okay. So these are the things what we have to learn for. The next one is strike or a lockout. In the sense what happens if the tenant is not giving full-fledged wages to workers, they will go under the strike. So that is called as a strike or a lockout. At that time, we will not get anything. So in course of lease period in any year, the work may be stopped due to worker strike or lockout. Naturally, this results in decrease in production. When production is decreased, royalty will be less. So royalty will not reach the minimum rent. In this case, leasing need not pay the minimum rent, but lease provides that minimum rent has to be reduced proportionately to the period of strike. So whatever strike a period is there, he will get only that much. Who? Landlord. Clear with this? So this is what called as strike or a lockout. So students, I request you to go through this, okay, about the things. Okay, we'll have a look onto the what is the meaning of royalty agreement. Okay, so it is a mutual consent between the parties, that is lessor and the lessee, about the terms and conditions. Okay, what do you mean by royalty? It is a periodical payment made by the lessee to a lessor for using special rights on the basis of output or a sale. Okay, in other words, royalty is a consideration payable to a landlord or lessor by a lessee. Okay, understood? So that is what called as a royalty accounts. Now we have to go with this simple kind of problems. Well, you will understand what we have to, how we have to solve this royalty chart, which will be coming for 5 marks for you people. Okay, so in next video I'll be posting this. Thank you.